welcome to our channel. The first time people are most interested about the how we can share content Twitter and LinkedIn option. So how we can increase my one link promote by number of images. That is the purpose. I'll show two different ways. In a Twitter account, there's a call create a studio option will be there. There's a number of options are here. There is a call will be Twitter ads, Twitter professional and newsletters. Number of options are here. So here we have to enable option name is called compulsory media studio will be compulsory important. The media studio will be acceptance will be take some time to the Twitter users. So how we can visible that is called based on the posting is enabled by the media studio option. So what is the benefit of media studio? Media studio will be benefit is called any link we can publish will be along with the link option. Image with the link option will be flexible by the media studio option. So when it is eligible, based on the content posting, video posting, the option will eligible by the create a studio option. So that is the purpose. We can direct post your images, videos, or else we can share from LinkedIn account. First of all, select here LinkedIn company page, save it. When it is called, go through this. Upload it. Automatically image will be visible. Take the edit option here. Image. What are the new image you design? Select it. Here is the image was selected. Done. Next click for post. After posting this option, we have option name is called repost. Share with your thought. Edit and LinkedIn profile and Twitter account. LinkedIn profile and Twitter account. Sir, I don't use a LinkedIn account. What will happen? Right, go to the Twitter account. You can post your content. I also visible here. Suppose you don't using for Twitter account. LinkedIn to Twitter. Go to Twitter directly. So what are the content you will be shared here? Copy this content. Click this. Upload the video. If it is acceptable, click for post it. If it is not acceptable, change the video. Some videos will be length not accepted in the Twitter account. Most of the people's accepting media studio purpose, video you can upload based on your post that will be enabled. Media studio not enabled by any kind of Twitter account. This will be based on your post, based on the performance, the option will be eligible. So here, they're checking your particular platform, they upload content. Previous link appearance will be very much of hard. Nowadays, link appearance will be very easy to the particular profile. But edit option only applicable by the Facebook and the LinkedIn account. Twitter and Instagram, everything will be particular things. This will be not comfortable. Close it. Click it. Select here. Upload it. Select the video and click for in this anything changes your caption, everything will be here. When uploading time, this one, click it. This will be weighted sit-ups. Name is compulsory important. Should be hashtag will be compulsory important. Based on the week, what the week will be? Thursday. Anything will be here, we can use it one. Here. Motivation. The below is showing will be here. Click for tweet. Week tweet is important for the particular Twitter account. Any Twitter we can post will be individual. The week tweet. Wednesday thought, Wednesday quote, Wednesday vibes. Wednesday message. This all will be in hashtag will be using for particular Twitter account. So they will be posted will be done. What will happen? Based on your hashtag, the topic will be going to trending. So now we will be top post will be here. In a latest post, your post will be visible to the particular public. What will happen? When you click here, they go to analytics. We can check for analytics option. They check your post will be here. Your post will be reaching for more public. Now your post will be done. Based on the reach will be here. Once done your Twitter post, you can check it out here. Edit option will be not suitable. Before post, check it out and post your content will be mandatory field. Same also will be there. But here, any LinkedIn account will be removed here. Automatically Twitter also will be remove the content. So this will be. What the benefit is called? Twitter engaged by the LinkedIn profile and company page at a time. Increase your profile, connections, LinkedIn page, followers. Final destination is called website traffic. Anything, the destination will be our website traffic. Our uploading image, today image, our content will be like this. So people know about your content purpose, use this particular feature, the particular option. So this method we can utilize compulsory important. Only one patient is required. When the channel will enable Media Studio, automatically we can change the particular video image and the website image also we can change along with the URL option. So when it enable, that is how you can apply from the based on your post, the apply from your Twitter account. So this is the method you can post your content on your Twitter and LinkedIn option.